Did you know that the global blockchain market size is expected to reach $39.7 billion by 2025 from $3 billion in 2020? That's a whopping 67.3% compound annual growth rate. This rapid growth of blockchain technology is not just in the realm of cryptocurrencies, it's becoming an integral part of industries like finance, healthcare, logistics, and even entertainment. Blockchain technology is undeniably reshaping the world as we know it. In 2009, Bitcoin emerged as the first cryptocurrency. Today, there are over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies, with a total market cap exceeding $2 trillion. This digital gold rush has seen a surge in global adoption, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the pack. These decentralized digital currencies are shaking up traditional financial systems as they offer a new, secure way to transact. Cryptocurrencies are not just a trend, they are becoming a significant part of our financial ecosystem. Once upon a time, blockchain and cryptocurrencies were just buzzwords. Today, they're transforming how we transact and trust. Remember when they were just abstract concepts only known to a select few tech enthusiasts? Those days are long gone. Now, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are not only understood but embraced by many, from individuals to businesses and even governments. This evolution from obscurity to ubiquity has been nothing less than breathtaking. The blockchain and cryptocurrency journey so far has been nothing short of extraordinary. The blockchain revolution and cryptocurrency boom are just getting started. From their humble beginnings to today's widespread adoption, these technologies have transformed the way we transact and store data. They've opened up a world of possibilities, reshaping industries and creating new opportunities. The potential is enormous, and the future of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is brighter than ever. Want to dive deeper into the world of blockchain and start earning free cryptocurrency? Visit yourdailyblockchain.com today.